In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep track of due dates using Google Sheets. This process can be a real game changer for managing projects, assignments, or any tasks that come with a time constraint. Google Sheets offers a straightforward way to calculate and monitor due dates, ensuring you stay on top of your schedule with ease. Let's dive right into it. The first step is to add your initial dates to your Google Sheet. If you haven't done this before, it's simple. Go to your spreadsheet and click on the cell where you want to enter your date. Type in your date using the format you prefer. Google Sheets will typically recognize formats like MMDD, YYY, or DDMYYY. Having these initial dates laid out clearly will form the foundation for calculating future due dates. Now, to calculate a due date, you simply add the number of days until it's due to your initial date. It's a simple addition formula, but it can be incredibly powerful for keeping track of when things need to be done. Let's say you have an initial start date. In the next cell, which will represent your due date, you'll want to begin by typing an equals sign. This signals to Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula. Next, select the cell that contains your initial date. You can do this either by clicking on the cell directly or by typing in the cell reference manually. Once you have your initial date in place, add a plus sign, which indicates that you're going to add something to that date. Now, type in the number of days until the task is due. For our example, let's say you want to add 30 days to your initial date. After adding the number 30, just press the Enter key. And there you have it. You should now see the due date appear in that cell, reflecting the addition of your specified number of days to the initial date. This formula automatically calculates the due date based on your initial date and the number of days you input, making the process of tracking deadlines efficient and hassle-free. As you continue using this method, remember that these formulas can be copied and adjusted as needed. If different tasks have different timelines, you can simply modify the number of days added according to your requirements. This flexibility means you can quickly adapt to any changes in your schedule or deadlines. And that's it for today's tutorial. With this simple technique, you can keep all your projects organized, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Make sure to save your work regularly and feel free to customize your sheet with additional details like task descriptions or priority levels to enhance your productivity even further. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more helpful tips and tricks with Google Sheets.